XTitan impact wrench. Manual operations instructions manual in English. The wrench color white. XTitan. Charger. Some sockets. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 sockets. Drill bits. Okay, so pwede siya dito. Now it's locked. Sling, 2 batteries, 988 VF, extra long duration of imported core. Okay, let's check if working. All right, so we have here some indicators. Okay, turning on. So reverse and forward. Okay, let's try. All right, it's working. Okay, so this seems to be controlled torque. So when you press lightly, the torque is low, and you press more, you can control the power. And this one is reverse. This is right clockwise. So the indicator for the battery and the power. So as you can see, the lead is working. It's lighting up. So when you press, you have some lights. 3 LEDs. 1, 2, and 3. Right, it's here. And then it will automatically turn off. There. Okay, let's try the other battery. Okay, the battery is working. Okay, so that's the XTitan torque wrench. Okay, so let's try to test the XTitan impact wrench. So gagamitin natin ay 21 mm. Okay? Okay, so natanggal. Let's put it back. So we're going to press this one to reverse the rotation. Okay, working. XTitan impact wrench.